What's this? I am but clearly its job.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, western Wayne County in northeastern Ohio.
You didn't say anything. Hold up.
County in northeastern Ohio.
Cleveland.
Knox County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belleville, or 10 miles southeast of Mansfield, moving at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible.
Ooh.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Worcester, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Shreve, Hayesville, Holmesville, Nashville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Fredericksburg, Congress, Mifflin, North Liberty, and Roseburg. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Madison, and Union. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect southeastern Champaign County, western Franklin and Delaware counties in central Ohio, northeastern Clark County, northern Madison and southern Union counties in central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms along the line extending from Delaware to South Charleston, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
Holy crap.
Storm hazards include winds to 45 miles an hour, pea-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Springfield, Dublin, Westerville, Grove City, Delaware, Arlington, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, London, Jefferson, Powell, Sunbury, Plain City.
EAS number 8, or is that 9? Correct me if I'm wrong. Ooh, wow. I thought it would be over. I thought the whole severe weather event would be over when I came upstairs and saw the tornado warning. I stand corrected.
.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Knox and Morrow.
Yes, please.
A strong thunderstorm will affect southern Richland, southern Ashland, northeastern Morrow, western Holmes, and northern Knox counties.
That's what I was looking
At
for.
7:45 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located in Fredericktown, or 12 miles northwest of Mount Vernon, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour and penny-size hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ontario, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville,
Here's that cold front.
Hayesville, Glenmont,
That little line right here, that's the cold front.
Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Mifflin,
Ooh, flash flood
North
warning.
Liberty, and Moheganville. If outdoors,
Somewhere in
consider
Indiana.
seeking shelter
Oh
inside
my
a
god.
building. The storm
Like,
may
Erie's
intensify,
getting
so be certain
crapped
to
on.
monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Madison, Marion, Morrow, and Union, and the waters of Lake Erie
Oh, wow.
from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
Oof,
including
that's
large
way in the rain.
damaging winds in
For
and
Cedar
close to the
Point.
watch area. While
Down
severe
Cedar
weather
Point,
may
I
not be
believe.
imminent,
Hold up, no, I didn't.
should remain alert for rapidly changing weather
Is
conditions
this Cedar
and
Point right
listen for
here?
latest
No, I don't care. Yep, it is.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources
Look
for
at
the
Cedar
latest
Point.
severe weather
My
information.
goodness.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern
Yeah,
Richland
you've already
County,
issued enough.
southern Ashland County, western Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern
So I had a
County
miss EAS
until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55
earlier.
p.m., a severe
I'm not going to count that against my thingy.
Because
Because why would I?
Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
So this has been an interesting day already.
Impact.
My God, weather everywhere. What's up here?
Damage to trees,
Oh, it's flood
impact
stuff.
lines.
Flood watch.
Locations impacted include
Flood warning.
Worcester, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Shreve.
Getting pretty bad here.